안녕하세요, 선생님. 안녕하세요, 반친구. 제 이름은 라비냐입니다. Here are some common Korean terms for family members. Family is 가족. Mother is 어머니 or 엄마. Father is 아버지 or 아빠. Older brother for male is 형. For female is opa. Older sister for male is nuna. For female is 언니. Younger brother is 남동생. And younger sister is 여동생. Son is adult. Adult. And younger sister is Tal. Grandmother is Harmony.
Daughter and son.
Yes. Daughter Tal. Grandmother is Harmony. Grandfather is Harabuji. And uncle is Samchon. Samchon. There Samchon for paternal uncle. And Wei Samchon for maternal uncle. Aunt is Kumu for paternal aunt and Imu for maternal aunt, and cousin is Sachon. 감사합니다.